Part 1. The 911. Call April 30th, 2023, Las Vegas, Nevada. A city famous for bright lights, casinos, and impossible stories. But on this night, one family would report something so bizarre that it quickly became one of the most discussed alien encounters of the modern era. Not because of blurry photographs, not because of conspiracy theories, but because it involved a terrified 911 call, police body cam footage, and a claim that something had landed in a family's backyard. Something large, something alive, and according to the witnesses, something not human. Before we continue, imagine this. It's late at night. You step outside your house. You hear a loud crash. You look toward your backyard, and standing there are two towering figures, more than 8 feet tall, watching you. What would you do? Because that's exactly what one Las Vegas family claimed happened on April 30th, 2023. And within minutes, they called 911. The emergency call was unlike anything dispatchers normally receive. The caller sounded frightened, confused, desperate. He told the operator that something had fallen from the sky, something that appeared to crash behind his home. Then came the statement that immediately caught everyone's attention. According to the caller, there were large creatures in the backyard. Not people, not animals, creatures with enormous eyes and strange appearances unlike anything he had ever seen before. At first glance, it sounded impossible, the kind of story most people would dismiss immediately. But there was a problem, because around the same time, police cameras captured something unusual in the sky, something that would transform a strange local report into an international mystery. Just minutes before the 911 call, a bright object streaked across the Nevada sky. Witnesses across the region reported seeing it. Some described it as a meteor, others weren't so sure. Security cameras captured flashes, residents reported hearing impacts, and police officers wearing body cameras recorded their own reactions to the object. The footage would soon spread across the internet. Millions of people would watch it, and many would ask the same question. Was the object connected to what happened in that backyard? Or was it simply a coincidence? At that moment, nobody knew. Not the family, not the police, not the investigators. All anyone knew was that a frightened caller was claiming something impossible, and officers were on their way toward a property where witnesses insisted they were not alone. And according to the family, whatever had landed there was still present. Part 2. Police arrive. As police officers drove toward the property, they had no idea they were about to become part of one of the most debated UFO cases in modern history. To dispatchers, it sounded like another strange late-night call. Las Vegas receives thousands of unusual reports every year. Most have ordinary explanations. Most are quickly resolved. But this call felt different, because the witnesses sounded genuinely frightened, not excited, not laughing, not seeking attention, afraid. When officers arrived at the home, they were met by a nervous family waiting outside. The witnesses immediately began explaining what they had seen. Something had fallen from the sky. A loud impact followed, and then they claimed they saw movement inside the backyard. Large figures, dark figures, watching them. The family insisted they were still there, even now. The officers listened carefully. At first, skepticism was natural. After all, claims of aliens standing in a backyard are not something police encounter every day. But then the witnesses described details that would later become the center of internet debate. The beings were supposedly very tall. Some estimates placed them between 8 and 10 feet in height. They appeared thin, strange, and according to one witness, their eyes were enormous, far larger than normal human eyes. The family repeatedly pointed toward a fenced area behind the house. That was where they believed the creatures had landed. That was where they believed they had seen movement. And that was where police would soon begin searching. As officers entered the backyard, body cameras continued recording. Flashlights scanned the darkness. The property appeared quiet. No obvious signs of intruders. no large animals, no clear evidence of giant creatures, at least not immediately. But then something happened that would fuel years of online speculation. One officer suddenly stopped. His flashlight moved across the yard, and for a brief moment, he appeared uneasy. Later, viewers would analyze every frame of the footage, every shadow, every movement, every reflection, searching for clues, searching for evidence, searching for something that might explain what the witnesses claimed to have seen. Meanwhile, the family remained convinced. They insisted they had witnessed something extraordinary, something intelligent, something that should not have been there. And according to them, the creatures were hiding, watching, waiting, somewhere inside the darkness. As the investigation continued, the internet had not yet discovered the story, national media had not yet arrived, the footage had not yet gone viral. At that moment, only a handful of people knew what was happening. A frightened family, several police officers, and whatever may or may not have been standing in that backyard. Then investigators noticed something unusual. Not a creature, not an alien, but a strange circular area visible within the property. An area that some people would later claim looked like an impact site, a place where something may have come down from the sky, and that discovery would push the mystery into an entirely new direction. Part 3. The Backyard Evidence. By the following day, the story should have disappeared. A strange 911 call, a frightened family, a late-night police response. Normally, that would have been the end of it, but this case was only beginning. As news of the incident spread online, internet investigators started examining every available detail. The police body cam footage, the 911 call, the witness statements, and especially the backyard itself. Because according to the family, that was where the object had landed. That was where the creatures had appeared. And some viewers believed they found evidence supporting the claim. Satellite images of the property soon began circulating online. People noticed something unusual. A large circular area visible in the backyard, almost like a ring. A pattern that appeared different from the surrounding ground. Some believed it was simply an old mark that had always existed. Others weren't convinced. They argued the circle looked consistent with an impact, as if something heavy had come down from above. The debate exploded across social media. Thousands of users began analyzing images frame by frame. Videos gained millions of views, forums filled with theories, and suddenly, a local police call became a worldwide mystery. Then another question emerged. If something really landed in the backyard, where was it now? There were no recovered materials, no visible wreckage, no confirmed debris. Nothing that investigators could point to and say, this came from the sky. And yet, the witnesses refused to back down. The family continued telling the same story. They claimed they had seen something extraordinary, something alive, something intelligent, something watching them from the darkness. And as attention increased, people began studying the body cam footage itself, looking for something hidden, something everyone else had missed. What they believed they found would become one of the most controversial parts of the entire case, because some viewers claimed the creatures were visible in the video, hidden in plain sight. The alien silhouettes. Once the footage reached the internet, the investigation changed completely, because now millions of people could examine the video themselves, frame by frame, second by second, pixel by pixel. Almost immediately, certain viewers began pointing toward specific areas of the footage. Dark corners, fence lines, shadows, areas where they believed figures could be seen. Not human figures, not animals, something else. Screenshots started spreading online. Red circles appeared around strange shapes. Zoomed images filled social media. And countless videos claimed the same thing. We found the alien. One particular image attracted enormous attention. According to supporters of the theory, A large figure could be seen peering from behind equipment in the yard. Some claimed they could clearly see a head, large eyes, a strange silhouette. Others saw absolutely nothing, and that became the central problem. The footage was unclear, ambiguous, open to interpretation. What one person considered undeniable evidence, another considered a shadow. What one viewer saw as an alien, another saw as ordinary backyard objects. The debate became intense. Experts examined the footage. Skeptics examined the footage. Believers examined the footage, and nobody could agree. But the family remained consistent. They insisted they didn't need screenshots. They didn't need image analysis, because they were there. According to them, they saw the beings with their own eyes, and what they witnessed wasn't a shadow. It wasn't an illusion. It wasn't a trick of light. It was real. The more attention the case received, the more difficult it became to separate facts from speculation. And soon, investigators began focusing on another mystery entirely: the object seen falling from the sky. Because before anyone reported aliens, something had already been recorded over Nevada. A bright object moving at incredible speed. And many people wondered, was that object connected to the backyard encounter? Or was it merely a coincidence? Part 5. The Object in the Sky. Long before the internet began debating alien silhouettes, something unusual had already been recorded above Nevada. A bright object, moving at tremendous speed, crossing the night sky in a matter of seconds. The object was visible across a large area. Multiple witnesses reported seeing it. Security cameras captured flashes. Police officers noticed it. And bodycam footage recorded reactions in real time. The video quickly spread online. Millions watched the object streak across the darkness. To some viewers, the explanation seemed obvious. A meteor. A space rock entering Earth's atmosphere. A rare but completely natural event. In fact, several experts supported that conclusion. The object's speed, its brightness, its visible trajectory, all appeared consistent with a meteor entering the atmosphere. Case closed. Or so it seemed. Because supporters of the alien theory pointed out something else. The timing. The object appeared only minutes before the 911 call. Only minutes before a frightened family claimed something landed in their backyard. Coincidence? Perhaps. But for believers, it was a coincidence too large to ignore. How often does a bright object streak across the sky, and then a family immediately reports giant creatures on their property? The question became one of the biggest mysteries in the case. Were the two events connected, or had the timing simply created an illusion of connection? Investigators searched for answers, but as weeks passed, no definitive evidence emerged. No recovered spacecraft, no confirmed debris, no physical proof that something extraordinary had landed behind the house. Yet the story refused to disappear, because the witnesses remained consistent, and because one detail continued bothering investigators: the fear. The family genuinely appeared frightened, and that raised another question. If they were mistaken, what exactly did they see? Part 6. Skeptics versus Believers. As the Las Vegas alien incident gained worldwide attention, two camps quickly formed: believers and skeptics. The believers argued that the evidence was compelling: a mysterious object in the sky, a frightened 911 caller, multiple witnesses, police involvement, and strange shapes visible in the footage. To them, the case represented one of the strongest modern alien encounters ever reported. Not because of a single photograph, but because several unusual events seemed to occur at the same time. The skeptics disagreed. Strongly. They argued there was no physical evidence, no alien body, no spacecraft, no recovered technology, nothing that could prove extraterrestrial involvement. Many suggested that fear and confusion had played a role. A bright meteor crosses the sky, people become alarmed, shadows appear different, normal objects seem unusual, and the human mind begins connecting events. Others pointed to a well-known psychological phenomenon. When people expect danger, their brains often search for patterns, faces, figures, movement, even when none actually exists. The alien silhouettes became a perfect example. Some viewers claimed the figures were obvious. Others saw only shadows and visual noise. The same footage produced completely different conclusions depending on who was watching. And that created a problem. The evidence was not clear enough to settle the debate, not for believers and not for skeptics. Months passed, then years. Yet the arguments continued. New videos appeared, new analyses emerged, new theories spread across social media, and despite countless investigations, nobody could provide a definitive answer. Which brings us to the biggest mystery of all. If the witnesses were telling the truth, what did they see? And if they were mistaken, why were they so convinced? Part 7. The Unanswered Mystery. More than 3 years have passed since that night in Las Vegas. The videos remain online. The 911 call remains public. The bodycam footage can still be viewed by anyone willing to examine it, frame by frame, second by second, looking for answers, looking for proof, looking for something everyone else may have missed. And yet, the mystery remains unsolved. No official investigation has concluded that aliens landed in the backyard. No government agency has confirmed extraterrestrial involvement. No physical evidence has emerged that can definitively prove the witnesses encountered non-human beings. For skeptics, that is where the story ends. A meteor crossed the sky. A frightened family misinterpreted what they saw. The internet amplified the event. And a local incident transformed into a global mystery. Case closed. But for others, the story is not so simple. Because the witnesses never withdrew their claims. They never admitted to a hoax. They never said they had invented the story. Instead, they continued insisting that something extraordinary happened that night, something they could not explain. And perhaps that is what makes this case so fascinating. Not the videos, not the screenshots, not even the alleged alien silhouettes. It's the uncertainty. The fact that nobody can fully explain every detail. The object in the sky was real, that much is certain. It was seen, recorded, documented. But what happened after that remains the subject of intense debate. Did a frightened family witness something genuinely unknown? Did they misidentify ordinary objects in the darkness? Did coincidence create one of the most convincing UFO stories of modern times? Or did something land in that backyard that should not have been there? The answer depends on who you ask. And that is exactly why the Las Vegas alien incident continues attracting millions of views years later. Because unlike many mysteries, this one unfolded in the age of smartphones, security cameras, police body cams, and social media. Every detail was captured, examined, debated, yet no final answer emerged. Perhaps the most unsettling possibility is not that aliens visited Las Vegas. Perhaps the most unsettling possibility is that we still don't know exactly what happened. Despite all the technology, despite all the footage, despite millions of people investigating the case, the mystery survives. Somewhere between a meteor, a misunderstanding, and an alien encounter, the truth remains hidden, waiting, just out of reach. So now the question comes to you. After hearing the 911 call, watching the bodycam footage, and examining the evidence, what do you think happened in that Las Vegas backyard? Was it an elaborate misunderstanding, a genuine UFO encounter, or one of the most convincing modern alien cases ever reported? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy documented mysteries, UFO encounters, alien investigations, and unexplained events that continue to divide opinion, subscribe to Vantage Elite, because sometimes the strangest mysteries aren't the ones we solve. They're the ones that refuse to be explained. The truth may be out there, but on that night in Las Vegas, nobody knows for sure what came down from the sky.